12 Habits to Financial Freedom. For many people, financial independence is a goal. It normally entails having enough savings, pensions, and cash on hand to maintain the lifestyle you want for yourself and your family, as well as a growing nest egg that will allow you to retire or follow the profession of your choice without being limited by a yearly salary. Unfortunately, too many people do not succeed. They are beset by mounting debt, financial emergencies, wasteful spending, and other problems that prevent them from achieving their objectives. Then there are unforeseen incidents such as a hurricane or an earthquake, or a pandemic that throws plans into disarray and expose previously unseen gaps in their safety nets. Almost everybody has issues, but these 12 habits will help you escape them. Build a plan for achieving your life goals, both big and small, financial and lifestyle. Create and stick to a budget to meet all of your financial needs. Pay off credit cards in full to bear the least amount of debt possible and keep a close eye on your credit score. Set up an emergency fund and set up automatic savings for the employer's retirement plan. Maintaining your possessions is less expensive than replacing them, but more importantly, take care of yourself and remain safe. Number 1, create life goals. To you, what does financial independence entail? A general desire for it is too nebulous a target, so narrow it down. Make a list of how much money you should have in your bank account, the lifestyle you want to live, and what you want to accomplish it. The more precise your goals are, the more likely you are to achieve them. Then, working backward from your current era, set financial milestones at regular intervals. Place the target sheet at the beginning of your financial binder and write it down neatly. Number 2, make a financial plan. The easiest way to ensure that all expenses are met and investments are on track is to create a monthly household budget and stick to it. It's also a consistent activity that reinforces your priorities and strengthens your determination to fight the temptation to splurge. Number 3, fully pay off credit cards. Credit cards and other high-interest consumer loans are terrible for building wealth. Make it a habit to pay off your entire balance every month. Student loans, mortgages, and other related loans usually have lower interest rates, so repaying them is not a pressing matter. Paying on time builds a positive credit record and will continue to do so. Number 4, make savings. First and foremost, pay yourself. Enroll in the company's retirement scheme and take advantage of any matching investment opportunities. It's also a good idea to set up an automatic withdrawal for an emergency fund that can be used for unforeseen expenses, as well as an automatic donation to a brokerage account or related account. Ideally, the money should be taken the same day you receive your paycheck, so it never comes in contact with your hands and you are completely free of temptation. Bear in mind, however, that the recommended amount to save is a hot topic of discussion. The viability of such a fund may be a concern in certain instances. Number 5, begin investing. People may doubt this because of recent stock market uncertainty, but there has never been a better way to grow your money than by investing. Compound interest will help it expand exponentially over time, but it will take a long time to reach significant growth. Don't fool yourself into believing you can be the next Warren Buffett by attempting to be a stock picker. Only one may exist. Instead, open an online brokerage account that allows you to learn how to invest, develop a manageable portfolio, and make automatic contributions to it on a weekly or monthly basis. In the face of mounting debt, cash crises, medical problems, and overspending, achieving financial freedom can be difficult, but it is possible with diligence and proper planning. Number 6, keep an eye on your credit report. When buying a new car or refinancing a home, your credit score decides the interest rate you'll be offered. It also has an impact on apparently unrelated items, like auto and life insurance rates. The rationale is that someone who engages in risky financial behavior is more likely to engage in risky behavior in other areas of life, such as driving and drinking. This is why it's important to receive a credit report on a regular basis to ensure that you don't have any erroneous black marks tarnishing your good reputation. To further protect your records, you may want to look into one of the best credit monitoring services. Number 7, make a deal. Many Americans are reluctant to bargain for goods and services because they believe it would make them seem cheap. If you can overcome this cultural barrier, you might save thousands of dollars per year. Small businesses, in particular, are more sensitive to negotiating. Buying in bulk or repeat business will result in considerable savings. Number 8, continuous education. Every year, review all relevant changes in the tax laws to ensure that all amendments and deductions are maximized. Keep up with financial news and stock market trends, and don't be afraid to make adjustments to your investment portfolio when needed. Awareness is also the strongest protection against those looking to make a fast buck by preying on inexperienced investors. Number 9, proper care and maintenance. Taking care of your property extends the life of anything from cars and lawnmowers to shoes and clothing. Maintenance is a worthwhile investment since it is a fraction of the cost of replacement. Learn how to tell the difference between what you want and what you require. Number 10, live on a shoestring budget. It's not difficult to live a frugal lifestyle if you have the mentality of living life to the fullest with less. Before becoming rich, many wealthy people formed a habit of living beyond their means. This isn't a challenge to live a minimalist lifestyle or rallying cry to throw out everything you've accumulated over the years. Making minor changes by differentiating between what you need and what you want is a financially beneficial habit to develop. Number 11, seek the advice of a financial advisor. Once you've acquired a fair amount of wealth, whether by liquid investments or tangible assets that aren't as easily converted to cash, hire a financial planner to advise you and assist you in making decisions. Number 12, take good care of yourself. The body, too, is subject to the concept of proper maintenance. Invest in your well-being by going to the doctor and dentist on a regular basis, and seek medical advice if you have any issues. Many conditions can be alleviated or even avoided by making lifestyle changes such as increasing physical activity and eating a healthy diet. Sick days are restricted in some businesses, resulting in a significant loss of revenue until those days are used up. Insurance premiums skyrocket as a result of obesity and ailments, and poor health can force an earlier retirement with a lower monthly income. Final thoughts. These 12 steps will not solve all your financial problems, but they will assist you in creating healthy behaviors that will put you on the road to financial freedom, whatever that means to you. If you want to know more financial tips like these, make sure to give this video a like and click subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.